Hello everybody and welcome to June 1st, Disney Springs, where we try the cookie of the month at Gideon's, and this month, every week, it's going to be a different unlimited cookie. So today is the coconut chocolate chip.
Cookie of the week. Who knew? So we may have to come every week.
Yep, and today is also the start of Pride Month, so we got the lovely signs all around us. But first off, this is new here. It's a Jeoffrey's little Lilo and Stitch Ohana Blend.
Yeah, there's never been a food truck right here. So what do we got? Oh, look at this one. Ohana Horchata. Coconut syrup topped with whipped cream, blue sprinkles, coconut shavings. That actually looks really good. But yeah, a food truck right by the Orange Garage. Yeah, for June 1st, the weather is great and the crowds are not all that heavy at the moment. So I want to say it's in the mid 80s, but yeah, look at this shot. And then over here, it looks lovely. The color of that water. All right, onward to Gideon's. Look at this little artwork. This guy waving. Kind of looks like beach attire.
And the nice thing is they give you a list of what the week cookies are. So
something special this month. We're doing
so excited.
Yeah, so cookie every week here. This week 1, coconut caramel. Week 2, mint cookies and cream. Week 3 kind of looks good to me. Maple, walnut, chocolate chip. And then week 4, white chocolate macadamia.
And it looks like the cookies and cream nitro cold brew is what is there. So we will be collecting that today, but I'm excited about all 4 of these.
We'll get you each week. All right, Andrea is gonna do the big reveal. We got our coconut chocolate chip cookie. Ooh. Looks good, looks dense.
All right, it looks like most of the coconut is on top, so we were a little worried about that, but it looks pretty good. I'm just gonna go right in because it is melting.
So pro tip, bring one of these little guys with you, the moist towelette.
Okay. So if you are familiar with the Samoa Girl Scout cookie, this is it. Coconut, chocolate, and caramel. It tastes exactly like it. So just bigger.
All right, I'll give it a little go. I do like that there's tons and tons of chocolate chips. But yeah, let's see. That's actually pretty good. I'm not usually big on coconut, like unless it's in a drink. But not so much coconut on top of food or mixed in. But the chocolate and the coconut do work well together, and the caramel, so not a bad cookie. I'm gonna try this cold brew though. The cookies and cream cold brew. Yeah guys, all their cold brews are just delicious. If there's a better cold brew or company that makes cold brew, you'll have to let me know. I'm not sure Starbucks can compete with that. It's just really good. All right, Andrea's gonna give the coffee a little go.
Not much of a hint of cookie and cream. It's just the sweet goodness that it always is. So maybe we'll still go with the peanut butter cold brew, but you do have all that cookie bits at the bottom. So maybe it just needs to stir up a little, but it's still very good. It's just not heavy on the cookie and cream.
All right, well there you have it. Let's go see what else is new around the Springs.
Yeah.
Okay everyone, D-Luxe burger of the month this month. This is gonna be a must try sometime. Pepperoni pizza burger. So 2 patties, grilled pepperoni, mozzarella, house-made bun. Oh my gosh, that looks good. All right, everybody, here's the burger of the month. We went ahead and dove right in for D-Luxe burger. Too good to pass up. Pizza burger. It's got like a layer of fried mozzarella and then pepperoni, burger, the bun. I think the bun sold, Andrea.
Yeah, so the mozzarella and the bun is what I said go for. And we have showed the fries multiple times and we had them. They're both very good.
All right, we'll do a little reveal here.
Here is the main event. All right.
Good looking burger.
Well, we're gonna have a go at these, and we'll let you know what we think.
I can take a bite right now if you want.
Oh man, so you can see all the goodies in the bun there. It looks like there's plenty of like little cheese bubbles happening, and the size of that mozzarella right there.
And those are pepperonis. Ooh, it's blazing hot. Can you see?
Yeah.
So the mozzarella kind of pours out. Not a lot of red sauce flavor. It's pretty good. I may have to get back to you at the end and tell you my revised thoughts. It's not leaping out at me like the Wellington burger, but it is good. I like the pepperoni and the mozzarella. I'll report back.
So right off the bat, very, very cheesy, which I like that. I don't like how soggy the bottom bun and the top bun are, so I guess that has to do with, no, it's just the patty, but I don't know, it's all right. I think I might be happy just having the mozzarella piece by itself, but it's not a bad burger, but I don't know if it's a must-have, but there it is.
My next bite, I'm gonna try it with my favorite sauce of all time, truffle aioli. It is such a good sauce, so I'm gonna try it with that. So checking back in, it was very good in the truffle aioli sauce, but if I were to perfect this burger, I think I would add a little more red sauce and not this bun. The bun is kind of soggy. It holds like the butter and grease really well. So I would use a regular bun, add a little more red sauce, then it might be the perfect burger.
I just have to repeat the same thing, just a little too greasy, buttery, but I did like the mozzarella.
You could have a fried mozzarella burger as the patties. All right, we'll pop into World of Disney and see what's new here. They always have good merch, especially at the change of a month.
Yeah. You can tell it's that time of year with the cooling towels.
All right, who wouldn't like this shirt? $34.99.
He's so depressing.
But he could be cheered up, I'm sure. Oh, Eeyore.
And we have the Disney Pride collection. Oh, that's a cute cup, $20.
Hat with Mickey hands.
And it looks like this is a different style of ears as well. And then you got
cool looking softball, baseball jersey.
Oh, look at that. That's really cool. The only thing is black. It's so hot for
yeah, and that's like
summer.
thick material.
75.
Okay,
And,
so that looks cool with the skirt.
and if you're not warm enough, here's a nice fuzzy blanket for 70. And they got the Spirit jersey right over here.
Yeah, that looks way
Let's
too
see
hot.
what this. That's nice. They even have little
cool.
bracelet
Little bracelets.
collection as well. And if you don't like the black option, they do have a white t-shirt which would go much better in the Florida sun.
In the heat, but it doesn't have the price on it. Oh, all right, we do have some new great 4th of July merch. $34.99. That would be a great shirt to wear on the 4th. And Memorial Day, too. We just had Memorial Day.
And your $100 lounge fly.
With all the sequins and bling. Yeah, I really like that shirt, though. That's cool. More 4th of July merch. We're way too hot to wear a sweatshirt.
Oh, it's $60. It's a nice white hat, $30.
And
I
it is
actually
the
kinda
4th
like
as
that.
well. It's got the
Yeah.
flag on there.
And it says Walt Disney World on the back.
That's cool.
Stars and Stripes Forever, 35.
35. Well, there you go. This is about all we're seeing that's new. And they're in kids sizes.
For the little Disney goers.
All right, Amorette's does have the Stitch Petite Cake, so not sure if this was last month, but that does look pretty good.
I like the little cookie crumbs on top,
Vanilla, you're a vanilla person.
but not passion fruit.
And then let's see, they also have for June, they have a rainbow Bellini Petite Cake. There's a rainbow colored chiffon cake. Simple syrup champagne.
Okay, I think that would be more my speed. All right, well, thanks for coming along with us. We got to show you a new burger at D-Luxe Burger. We got to show you week 1 of the Cookie of the Month. So,
And I think we plan on coming back each week for the next 3
yeah.
weeks to get the cookies. So we'll have all 4.
the next one looks really good, and Andy's looking forward to week 3. But yeah, I think that's all we can show you that's new for right now. So thanks for coming along. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
Yep, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. It's free. And now let's go give the little MinPins their Pupcake.
Yeah, let's go.
And let's hope that Laura doesn't steal Luke's.
Yeah.
Which pins want Pupcakes? Laura?
This one.
Oh, look at Luke.
A little bigger, so I'll give it to Luke. No. Lorelai!
All right, Luke's getting a new one. Did everyone see that? All right, this good boy gets another one all on his own. Because somebody had to steal the whole thing. Go on, Luke. Good boy.
There you get the last remnants.